Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to talk about Bluetooth problems and your headphones. I was having a problem with these headphones, making a crackling noise when I'm listening with Bluetooth, and I contacted the company that made the headphones, and they said to reset the headphones and update the firmware. I didn't want to go through that because I didn't think that was a problem. So I contacted the manufacturer of my computer, which is MSI, and they recommended doing reinstall of the Bluetooth driver. So I give it a try, and it actually works. So I'll show you what I did. Follow me. Go to search for device, just type in device manager, click on that. Look for Bluetooth. Look for Intel R wireless Bluetooth R. Click on this, right click, uninstall device. You may prompt you to reboot your computer, pair up your headphones, and you should be back in business. If you're not, I'll put a link to Microsoft tech support below, so you can sign up and get free tech support from Microsoft 24/7. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, as always. Thank you for watching.